with ball, Naukaasanam, 30 count. Join big toes, tighten kneecap, lips closed. Ready? Come to final position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total body turn to right side. Sit in Vajrasanam. Tulasanam, full flank. No Parvatasanam, no upper curve. No Sarpasanam, no lower curve. In between slant pose. Join foot, knee, thigh. పాదాలు మోకాలు దగ్గరగా ఉండాలి. టైటన్ బోత్ నీ క్యాప్, లిప్స్ క్లోజ్, తల ముందరకు చూడాలి. కమ్ టు ఫైనల్ పొజిషన్. తులాసనం. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, joint foot, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, Sony madam lift cheyali, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. With dumbbells, standing position, joint foot, lips closed, hands full rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, join legs, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, anti-clock, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. With brick support, butterfly. Brick spine పెట్టుకోవాలి. పాదాలు మిడ్ బ్యాక్ పుష్ చేయాలి. మిడ్ బ్యాక్ స్ట్రైట్గా ఉండాలి. తలపైకెత్తాలి. లిఫ్ట్ హెడ్, ఐబాల్ ఫేసింగ్ రూఫ్. నౌ స్ట్రోక్స్. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit in Vajrasanam. Both bricks in stand mode. One dumbbell just beside with you on left side. Parvatasanam with brick support. Parvatasanam. Left foot in between bricks. Lift head, eyeball facing roof. Left leg back, look down, find your stomach. 2, right leg forward, look up. Right leg back, look down. 3, left leg forward, look up. Left leg back, look down. 4, right leg forward, look up. Right leg back, look down. 5, look up, look down. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10, back. 11, stay there, eyeball facing roof, stay there. 12, dumbbell with left hand, total upper body turn to Buddha wallpaper side, not main door, not sun god. Total upper body facing Buddha wallpaper side, back side wall. Excellent. Total left hand pull back side, more pull back side. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Parvatasanam, Parvatasanam, Sashankashanam, Sashankashanam. Sit in Vajrasanam, Kapalabhati Pranayamam. Only one breathe in, maximum breathe out, 60 count. By abdomen strokes and hissing sounds, abdomen ploppings and hissing sounds, or pressure cooker sounds. Both hands in chin mudra, lips closed, open eyes. Ready. Only one. Take a large breathe in. Now forcible. Only breathe out. 60 count. Abdomen strokes and hissing sounds. 55, abdomen ploppings and hissing sounds or pressure cooker sounds. 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 4, relax. Few seconds, eyes closed, lips closed, few seconds. Standing position. Turn to north side. Separate legs, more wide your legs, double wide your legs. Brick, exactly, only one brick inside left foot heel. Dumbbell with left hand, one dumbbell with left hand. Separate legs, more wide your legs, double wide your legs. Both foot turn to left side, both foot turn to left side. Don't bend your knees, don't bend your legs. మోకాలు చెప్పులు గట్టిగా బిగించాలి. Both hands above shoulder level, రెండు చేతులు భుజాలకు నెత్తిలో ఉండాలి. ఎడమ వైపు నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, స్లోలీ టర్న్ యువర్ అప్పర్ బాడీ టు మై టేబుల్ సైడ్. See the corner of cupboard. Try to more twist your upper body to cupboard side. Don't bend. Don't bend your upper body. Try to see the corner of cupboard. Now slowly bend your upper body. Take support brick with right hand. Don't lift right foot heel, Madhav. Don't bend your left knee. ఎడమ మోకాలు చెప్పు గట్టిగా బిగించాలి. కుడి కాలు మడం పైకెత్తకూడదు. తల పైకెత్తాలి. పైన డంబెల్ చూడాలి. లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్, లెఫ్ట్ షోల్డర్, లెఫ్ట్ అప్పర్ బ్యాక్, పుల్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్. పారివృత్త త్రికోణాసనం. స్టే స్ట్రాంగ్. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Turn to east. Join foot. Only hands. Only hands. Hands, it should be maintained from head, ear, neck, upper back. చేతులు, తల, చెవి, మెడ, వెనుపూస వెనుక నుంచి రావాలి. 1 full stretch up, down. 2 full stretch up, down. 3 4 5 6, come on, stretch up. 7 8, stretch up, ready. 9, up, stay there. Interlock, both palm facing roof. Lift heel, lift midfoot. Only stand on foot fingers. Thadasanam, body and mind balancing asanam. In the final position, stay there like a statue. No shivering, no jerks, no catwalks. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3, stretch more. 2 1. Hip rotation clockwise. Separate legs. 1 2 3 4 5 6, anti-clock. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Turn to north side. Bricks, right foot ankle back side and left foot ankle back side in stand mode. Dumbbell with right hand. 1 dumbbell with right hand. Now from left hand side, from left side, both foot turn to left side. Bend your left knee. Take support brick with the left hand. Right hand towards the back side wall. వెనుకున్న కుడి పాదం 5 వేల మీద ఉండాలి. Back right foot on 5 foot fingers. Stand. 2 right. Stand. 3 stand. 4 stand. 5 stand. 6 stand. 7 stand. 8 stand. 9 stand. 10 stand. 11 stay there. 12 11 10 9 8 7 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Eyes closed, lips closed. Eyes closed, lips closed. Eyes closed, lips closed. Maintain normal breath.